Hello, and thanks for stopping by the channel. First of all, I want to thank everyone who's followed me all these years, who's subscribed, and has been watching my content. We are at around 3,900 hours, about to cross over to 4,000 hours, hopefully, which will then make me, I guess, a YouTube partner, where I can start to do some other things with my content. Please continue watching the videos, continue sharing with other folks, but thanks for everything you've done so far. And most of all, please make sure you subscribe. Next point. Comments and suggestions. Definitely open to comments and suggestions on content. For those who follow me over the years, you've noticed that there's been a little bit of a change in content. We started way back in the beginning with Accelerator. If I have any of those folks still watching me, we transitioned over to Ionic. We did some Ionic Angular stuff in the beginning, but then we really locked in around Vue and React as Ionic got there. I think we were one of the first people to start posting Vue videos on Ionic way before it was even released. I think Vue's an amazing platform. And so that's why I've done a lot of content around Ionic Vue. We started doing Ionic and React as React got released. React, as everyone knows, has a huge community, a lot of support out there from developers. And so by default, a lot of clients say, hey, I want my stuff done in React. So we do our work in React. The other interesting thing about my video content is I generate video content based on what we do every day here at Clearly Innovative. Most of the ideas come from the work that we do, problems that we've run into, things that I think, explaining and understanding will make it easier for us to do our work. And then also, for those of you who know me, I have also taught some classes on Ionic Framework and Vue and React and Angular. Some of the content is derived from that, and sometimes it goes the other way where, I create content here and then I use that content for the courses. And more recently, you've seen a fair number of React Native videos. I have an 8-part series on React Native that I've done, which I did to kind of just refresh myself. We're working with some clients right now. React Native was their preferred platform of choice, and so we are developing a solution in React Native. We look forward to doing more React Native solutions. It seems to be something that people are interested in, and as a services business, we need to keep billing hours, and if a client comes and says, it absolutely has to be in React Native, then we're going to absolutely do it in React Native. So you'll see more of that. We might start moving and doing some more videos on Backend Technologies. We've done a fair bit of backend work. Most of our clients require backend work to support the mobile applications and websites we developed. I just haven't really generated any videos there. Some other interesting things. We developed a solution using Next.js. Specifically, we built the front end in Next.js. We built the back end using their API functionality. So we have APIs that are coming out of the Next.js application, which is pretty awesome. Using Vericel to host it, pretty awesome platform. So maybe I'll do some intro videos on that topic. Been doing a fair bit of Amazon work, which is interesting. I mean, I love Amazon, but I think the documentation is overly complex. I think some of the UIs are a little interesting, but people like Amazon, people are using Amazon, and so it's something that I share some videos on. I have a 3 or 4 part series on Amplify with Vue.js and Ionic. I've done one on React and Amplify. We are playing more and more. Well, not playing, we're actually kind of doing work for clients more and more with Amazon, so you should see more of that. But without a doubt, you'll definitely see a lot more React Native content. I've gotten a really good response from React Native content, and you create content that people want to watch, and also stuff that I find interesting. So I'll definitely push out more of that. And last but not least, just once again, thank you everyone for following me. This was an important task for me to do. Besides, my family and my jobs and everything else, I created the content so that there were people that looked like me creating software development content on YouTube, which I thought was important. So please continue to watch. Please continue to leave suggestions on content you'd like to see, and please continue to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.